Creating an email sequence in ConvertKit allows you to automate a series of emails to engage your subscribers effectively. Here's how to set it up. Access sequences. Log into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the Send tab and select Sequences. Create a new sequence. Click the plus New Sequence button. Name your sequence for easy identification. Compose emails. In the sequence editor, draft your first email. Set the delay for when this email should be sent after a subscriber joins the sequence. Toggle the email status to publish to activate it. Add additional emails. Click Add email to include more emails in the sequence. For each email, set the delay relative to the previous email. Ensure each email is set to published. Configure sequence settings. Go to the Settings tab within the sequence editor. Specify the days and times you want emails to be sent. Adjust other preferences, such as excluding certain subscribers or allowing subscribers to restart the sequence. Integrate with forms or automations. To add subscribers to a sequence, link it to a form, landing page, or automation workflow. For example, create a visual automation where the entry point is a form and the action is to add a subscriber to your sequence.